So, you're over 40, looking to start working from home but worried you don't have the right experience. Good news, in today's digital world, age and experience don't need to hold you back. Today I'll walk you through exactly how you can start earning online from scratch with no prior experience necessary. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage your transferable skills. Whether you've worked in retail, management, healthcare or hospitality, you likely already have highly valuable transferable skills. Think communication, organisation, time management and problem solving. These are all high demand skills in the remote work world. For example, if you're organised, you could become a virtual assistant, helping busy professionals manage their schedules and their emails. Or if you're a great communicator, consider customer service or online sales roles. Many companies hire remote reps to handle customer inquiries. To identify your strengths, I recommend to write down everything you've done in the past roles to see where they might apply online. This exercise will make you realise you have more to offer than you originally thought. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to start freelancing with small gigs. Platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com and Freelancer offer gigs in almost every field, from writing and editing to graphic design and customer support. You don't need to be a master to start, just take the small gigs and build your profile with solid reviews. For instance, if you enjoy writing, you could start with blog posts or product descriptions. It's common for beginners to land small projects that pay per article or per hour. You'll gain experience, build a good portfolio, and gradually attract higher paying clients. Remember, every small job you complete adds to your credibility, even if it's $10 for a quick gig. It's a step towards building your reputation as a reliable freelancer. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to explore online teaching and tutoring. If you've raised kids or helped friends understand a tricky topic, you might have what it takes to teach or tutor online. Websites like VIP Kid, OutSchool and Check Tutors need people to teach subjects from English to maths, even if they don't have a formal teaching degree. For example, if you're a native English speaker, you could teach English to non-native speakers. Or if you excelled in school math or science, there's likely someone willing to pay for tutoring help online. Online teaching platforms typically offer lesson plans, making it easy to get started. Plus, online tutoring is a rewarding way to use what you know to help other people succeed. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to dive into the world of remote customer support. Many companies are moving their customer support teams online, and they're often open to hiring people without specific experience. Jobs in this field include live chat support, answering customer questions, or helping resolve issues over the phone. Let's say you're friendly and patient. Those are ideal qualities for customer support. Major companies like Amazon, Apple and smaller startups frequently list remote support roles on their websites or on job boards like Indeed. Starting here can be a solid choice since companies usually provide the training. It's a very flexible role where you can build communication skills while earning steady income from home. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to become a social media manager. If you enjoy social media or have experience managing your own accounts, consider helping small businesses build their online presence. Many small companies want to improve their online presence but don't have the time to manage the accounts themselves. You can start by offering to manage Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or TikTok accounts. For instance, a local shop may need help posting about sales or engaging with their followers. You could offer package deals like 3 posts a week plus engagement for a flat rate. Social media management can be incredibly rewarding and even quite fun. Once you get comfortable, you can explore additional services like ad management to increase your income. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to look into data entry positions. Data entry might not be the most glamorous job, but it's very straightforward and many businesses hire remote workers for this job. If you're detail oriented and can work with spreadsheets or databases, data entry could be a solid choice. For example, companies may need help organising customer information, managing inventory or logging data into online systems. Platforms like Clickworker and Remote.co regularly post these types of jobs. Data entry is perfect for people who want something simple to start with and requires only basic computer skills. It's a great way to get a foot in the door while exploring more advanced options. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to consider affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a flexible option where you promote products and services and you can earn commissions for each sale made through your referral unique link. The best part, you don't need to create a product, you just simply promote it. You can start by joining affiliate programs for products and services that you already like and believe in, like Amazon Associates, Etsy, or even digital products on ClickBank. Let's say you're into fitness. Sharing a few reviews or product links on social media can lead to a passive income stream. Affiliate marketing works well if you enjoy content creation, but it also allows you to work behind the scenes by using blogs or email marketing to reach potential buyers. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to learn a new skill through online courses. It's never too late to learn something new, especially with the wealth of online courses available. Websites like Udemy, Skillshare and Coursera offer training in web design, digital marketing, graphic design and much more, often with beginner-friendly courses. If you're interested in, say, digital marketing, you can start with a course on social media or Google Ads. Many people have successfully switched careers by learning these skills online and applying them as freelancers or consultants. Online courses offer certifications to boost your credibility and can make you more competitive in fields with higher pay. Investing time in learning is one of the best ways to secure long-term remote work. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to start a blog or YouTube channel on a passionate topic. I recommend considering blogging or creating YouTube videos on topics that you like. Blogging and YouTube can turn into a profitable business through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing if you grow an audience. For instance, if you're passionate about cooking, you can share recipes and cooking tips. Or if you enjoy home organisation, you could create videos on affordable hacks. Both YouTube and blogs have low entry costs and can eventually lead to monetization. Consistency is the key here. Aim to post regularly, interact with followers, and you'll build a community that can eventually turn into a profitable venture. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to offer translation services. If you speak more than one language, translation can be an ideal remote work option. Businesses need translators for documents, websites, and customer communications, and many companies are opening to hire remote translators in various experience levels. For example, if you're bilingual in Spanish and English, you could work with companies expanding into Spanish-speaking markets. Websites like ProZ and Translators Cafe allow freelancers to find clients looking for translation help, from simple document translation to subtitling videos. If you're not certified, translation tools and resources can help you complete jobs accurately, and many clients prioritize fluency over formal credentials. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to become a research assistant or an online researcher. Companies, writers, and even entrepreneurs often hire online researchers to gather information on topics ranging from market research, market trends, to product comparisons. If you enjoy digging for information and organising it, this could be a rewarding remote role for you. For instance, a business might need research on competitors or new markets, while a content creator may need help finding statistics or trends for their work. Websites like Wonder and Just Answer connect researchers with clients looking for in-depth information. This job lets you work behind the scenes, and you don't need a specific background. just an ability to find reliable information and organise it effectively for clients. Let's now move on to tip number 12, which is to start a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand allows you to create and sell custom designed products, such as t-shirts, mugs or phone cases, without the hassle of inventory. Companies like Printful, Redbubble and Teespring handle the printing, the shipping and the fulfillment, so you can just focus on the creative side. If you have a knack for design or fun slogans, you can create items that appeal to niche markets. For example, creating cat-themed designs for animal lovers or motivational phrases for fitness enthusiasts could quickly attract buyers. You don't need advanced design skills. Platforms like Canva can help you make simple and attractive designs. With the right marketing, print on demand can turn into a passive income stream while you work from home. So there you have it, 12 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.